streets of Macau, the streets of Macau. 南國來巷 Travessa das Perpétuas. Oh, Cong the little beautiful street of Macau.千日紅巷 Travessa das Perpétuas, street named after a flower, globe amaranth lane. By Fui Way, Beco da Cal, White Lime Lane. Ooh, little streets and alleys of Macau, little alleys of Macau.
Okay, so here's a little street called Perpétuas. I think that's like perpetuity. So I think that would be the lane of perpetuity, maybe. So it's this little tiny lane. We're not too far from these marketplaces. I think we might even combine it with that street over there. We'll see how small it is. Let me put this up on the map, but this is going to be where we're going to focus on. A little slice of Macau. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we're going to first go down our alley and just kind of see what's in here. I think it's kind of small. I think it's very, very small. Let me just kind of see here. Oh yeah, that's it. So actually this little perpetuity is basically just this little space. But we're going to walk, and maybe we'll combine it with the other street as well. So let me just see. I think there's an alley. There's an alley right in there. So I think it's going to be the same. Let me just take a look. So yeah, this is actually just the same. But yeah, this is our little perpetuity. It's even a little mirror up there. And it goes up to an apartment. So we're going to combine this one with the street straight ahead. So that will, I kind of want to like document all the different streets. So this is another street in Macau, and it's quite small. So sometimes I'll combine it with another one. So let's go across here. Then this one will be, you can see the name right there. It's called Walking Macau. And this would be the target street. I think it's going to go into this market, so you can actually already see here you have these rice cookers, fans, electronic stuff, and then it leads into like eventually it goes into the red market, but there's a big marketplace up ahead, so I think this will go right into that. There's even a little restaurant here, drinking room. Let's see. It's like a little interesting space. Okay, so we are going to go up and see what is all here. Kind of a small space. Just kind of see, got electronics, refrigerator. Also had some small little alleys to the side as well. Let's see. So I think our street just keeps going down that way, so we'll finish it. This street looks kind of interesting as well. Actually, this is the same street, so we're gonna go all the way up to the end first. There's the name of our street. The Ho Kong Loi. So we just go all the way up to the base. Huh. Okay. So it looks like it kind of goes all the way down there as well. This is actually a different street. So Beco da Cal. So I guess it's I guess we're kind of doing 3 streets in here. I'll just combine all of them. Yeah. Goes all the way down to this bike and such. Beco da Cal right there. Got an apartment building right there. Kitchen. Another kitchen, laundry, kind of mechanic. Got all those apartments. So yeah, I guess we actually are going to do like 3 streets in here. Beco da Cal. This was going to be the original Target Street right here. I don't know if I've ever been in this street before. And then it looks like it continues down to the left here a little bit as well. And I think it connects to something else. So that's also Lam Tak Un. I think that's a different street. So that might actually be a completely different street altogether again. Okay, so in that case, we're gonna just end our video. On this one. So basically this would be Travessa das Perpétuas. This is interesting. I filmed part of the street and it's quite interesting because there's a school right here, and let me just kind of show you. So we're in a different area altogether. And then it ends right here, and I can't access it anymore. But I also started filming this other video a few weeks ago, and this will be at the end, but it was over there on the other side of this. And so it was obviously like cut off by a school. And so yeah, that's actually the Perpétuas other part. And just to give you a little context, we'll just walk across real quick, but there's actually a little community right here. Kind of a bright sun here. We'll just walk across real quick. So yeah, so this Perpétuas comes out near the Cinema Alegria, and then there's this community of all this stuff on this side. The sun is kind of bright, so. But anyways, I thought I'd add that.